It's a 2018 Audi Q5. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.